Hey pals, so we are here at Disney's Port Orleans Riverside and I'm going to give you a room tour. So come along, let's go check it out. Okay, so as soon as we enter, you see that there is a table here, two chairs, and a mirror, decent mirror. And then you have two queen size beds, and I love this little detail right here. How fun is that? A Mickey head greeting you as you walk in the door. That's so fun. And above the bed, you have these cute little lanterns. These rooms do have nods to Princess and the Frog, Tiana. And one of the first things that I do see is on the bedpost right here. On the headboard, you have the crown. And then I see they have Hey Disney. And I think it's a cute little detail, like this looks like a shipping crate. That's fun. So on the nightstand, you do have one nightstand in the middle between the two beds, and you have two plug-ins and two USBs, which is very nice. And I see that controls a ceiling fan. I love when the rooms have a ceiling fan. And underneath the beds, you have plenty of storage. So if you like to put your luggage underneath your bed, you can. This does have the 5th sleeper, so we'll check that out. Okay, so that was pretty easy to pull down. I just pulled it on the little strap and it just came right down. And how fun is that? I would say this would be a good spot for a kiddo to sleep. I don't know how comfortable it would be for an adult, but we will definitely try that out. It does seem a little short, but maybe if you curled up your knees, would work. You can sleep up to 4 adults and a child. And then right here is going to be your little kitchenette area. You only have a coffee maker here, which is going to be the single cup, and then you get Joffrey's coffee, which is the coffee of Walt Disney World. And then you can hang your bags or store some things up there. You also have some more shelving right here that would be great to store. And this right here, I'm guessing, yeah, is where you have your refrigerator. So you have a mini fridge there. I love the little detail on the outside that makes you feel like you're out in the woods. So you do have a curtain right here. You got nods to Princess and the Frog there, but this is a curtain that divides where the sink area is in the bathroom. So that's nice if you're getting ready of the morning. You can divide that off. I do know a pack and play fits right in this area. If you do have smaller children that are still in a pack and play, you can close off this area and have a pack and play there if you need that space. And then you have your double sink vanity here with a large mirror. Hey pals. And you also have your H2O lotion. And I want to mention that there is an iron and ironing board if that is something that you are going to be doing while you're on vacation. And there is a safe located on this wall to put any of your valuables in. So this is going to be your bathroom area right here, and there is a door that closes, and it's where the toilet and tub is, and it's a little small, but you have towels. You do have a full-length mirror on the outside of that door, and H2O products on the wall. You have plenty of hangers to hang your towels or clothing. You also have that curtain rod that goes out and clips over on the side to hang your swimwear. a regular shower head and tub. So this room is good if you have littles that are still taking a bath and not a shower. And let me get out of here so you can see this shower curtain a little bit better, because more nods to Princess Tiana. And again, just a quick glance of the entire room. And I hope you enjoyed this content, and make sure to check out our Port Orleans Riverside Resort Tour. And if you are interested in a Walt Disney World vacation, resort stay, or any vacation, I would love to help you. I am a travel planner, and if you are interested in a travel quote or to get started on your next vacation, scan that QR code at the end of this video. And as always, love the memories you make. And I am Jessica, and we are Tennessee to Adventure, and see you, pals.